Light gantry. Light type gantry plasma cutting machine. Easy install, faster cutting speed, long life. According to machine size, put support. Facing the machine, the rack should be on the left side of the track. Remove the rail end plate and insert the cylindrical rail into the rail. Use track splicing board to strengthen the splicing place. Take out the corrective racks and align the gaps at the joints of the racks by occluding each other. If the rack cannot be corrected, the entire rack must be loosened and corrected again. Take out the hexagonal screws that fix the track. Put into the bottom groove. The screw is inserted into the positioning hole and the nut is fixed. After fixing, close the track cover. Take out the assembled host and beam. Align the track with the guide axis and gently push it into the track. The bottom gear bites the rack on the track. Feel the movement smoothly. Feel the resistance of gears when moving. Depending on the plasma or gas used. Put the torch wire gas pipes through the chain sleeve. The line tube is led out through the side of the host. Embedded torch height controller setting. Main function, before cutting, positioning the torch distance with metal plate. And continue control the height of torch while cutting. Main interface, choose auto or manual height control. Press menu, can set torch height and arc value. Their value initial bigger, the cutting process height will higher. Initial hay better set 3 to 5 mm. Arc value between 100 to 160, positioning height between 0.4 to 0.8. Up-down arrow button can adjust the value. Press enter to wrap, return key to take effect. Arc test to measure if CNC connect with plasma correct.